Alright, I got the top brackets made. I still gotta make the bottoms. Right now I got the strap holding the bottom up so it don't fall down. Also got to trim a little bit more on the angle iron because there ain't much clearance between the tire and it. So I'm gonna go ahead and trim down that after I make a trip to Harbor Freight this weekend. I gotta build a mounting bracket right here to put the truck bed crane for the boom. That's about it. I'm gonna fire up and drive it around. How the bottom brackets is going to go, I'm going to drill some holes and they're going to go in like, it's hard to show you with the strap on, but you can go in like this, mount in like that. Hopefully it'll keep it from this dropping down when driving it. I'll post an update video as soon as I get the